How to add songs to Clone Hero. For this, go ahead and open up a preferred browser on your PC. So right here in the search bar, you can go ahead and search for chorus, or in the URL address, search for chorus.fightd and give it a search. So right here at the top, you will see Chorus Encore, and it has described a Clone Hero friendly search engine, so just tap open on it. In here, you will find all of the latest music that you can download and that is totally supported by Clone Hero. Tap on where it says lead guitar to select any instrument that you prefer. Now if you tap on the expert tab here, you can select the difficulty level. And if you tap on advanced search, you can search music based on the note, intensity and genre. And if you found the music of your preference, make sure to download it. In here in your PC, you have to go ahead and search for the songs folder and it should look something like this. Make sure that it is the correct format. Now open up your Clone Hero and from the setting, tap on General. Here you will find the option of Scan Songs. So go ahead and tap on Scan Songs. It will display all of the songs that you have in your PC. Just go ahead and select on any one of this, then just tap on Press Start. And that's pretty much